In this video, I will be showing you how to leave comments on a Gamma AI presentation. Let's get started. From my Gamma dashboard, I'll start by selecting the project I want to review. I'm clicking on this presentation titled The Three Pillars of 2026 AI. Once the document opens, I'll scroll down to the first section to find the text I want to discuss. To leave a specific comment, I simply highlight the relevant paragraph. A floating toolbar will appear right above my selection, and I'll click on the speech bubble icon to add a comment. Now, a text box opens on the right side where I can type in my notes. For this example, I'll type comment here and then click the blue post comment button. If I change my mind or need to remove a note, I can click the three dots on the comment card and select delete thread from the drop-down menu. This immediately removes the comment from the presentation. I can also leave comments on entire content blocks rather than just text. I'll scroll down to the Narrow AI versus General AI slide and click on the block to select it. On the right-hand side of the interface, I'll click the speech bubble icon again. I'll type comment here and hit post. This makes it incredibly easy to provide feedback and collaborate with others in real time. And there you have it. That's the complete process of leaving comments on a Gamma AI presentation. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.